Welcome to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make the easiest homemade cleaner you will ever make. All you're going to need is some vinegar, a jar of any kind. This is a half gallon mason jar, and then you're going to need some sort of peels. I have orange peels here. You could also use lemon halves, lime halves, kind of whatever you want after you juice them. So I'm just going to put my orange peels in the jar here. You can add in more over the course of a couple of days. You could save up your orange peels or your lemons or limes, whatever you're using, in the fridge for a couple of days until you have your desired amount. Now all I'm going to do is take this vinegar here, and I'm just going to fill this jar with my vinegar until it is full. I'm going to let this jar sit for 2 weeks. Then I'm going to strain it out, saving the now infused vinegar with our orange peels here, and it's just going to make an orange scented all-purpose spray. You can use this for cleaning windows, countertops, cabinets. It's basically a all-purpose spray. You can use it for literally anything you want, and you made it only using vinegar and some food scraps, so it's a cool way to reuse things that would normally just go in the trash. And it makes just a really nice cleaning base, and it's awesome. I love it a lot. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.